Hi, this is Holly McLean for Trainli Tech TV, and today we are going to do a conversion on our Trainli dual rail bender from track code 332 to track code 250. It's a very simple process. You're going to need two Allen wrenches. You'll need a 5/32 and a 3/16 Allen wrench to do this conversion. And it's a little kit that we sell here at Trainli. Only takes a few minutes to do this conversion. These are the Teflon glides, the collars, the rollers, and the little lock washers. So we'll start out by changing the Teflon roller or glides, and we take the 5/32 Allen wrench, loosen that up. Make sure that you don't lose the little washer there. Take them off on both sides. Set aside the glide. Take this other one and we will slide that through there. Make sure you have the washer on. Line this up. And we'll tighten that one up just a little bit. Take the next screw, make sure you have the washer on that. We'll come in from the top. Move that around just a little bit so that it lines up nicely. And we'll tighten this one up. There we go. You don't have to do these too tight, just a little bit of tension just to hold them in place. And do the exact same thing over here. Don't keep track of the washers. Set that glide path off to the side. Now it is important that you do change these little Teflon glide bars because they are a different thickness to accommodate for the differences between the code 332 and the 200 or the 250 code rail. As you know, there's a different height on those, and so these glide pads need to be at a different height as well on the rail bender. So we give these a little bit of a turn here to tighten them up just a bit. You don't want to do too tight because you can go ahead and strip the screw inside of on the Teflon. The next thing we're going to do is replace the rolling dies, which are these components right here. You take the 3/16 Allen wrench. I'll start with this one. And we remove the screw, and it's very important that you keep track of the order of these three parts here so that they maintain the correct position once it's reassembled. So the way that this comes together is we have the collar, then this little lock washer, and it has a curve to it. So it curves down and sits on top of the collar. And then we have the rolling die and the screw. So we're going to go ahead and replace these. We're going to take this, put the rolling die on, then the little lock washer with the curve facing down towards the collar. And we'll put that right on here. And tighten it back up. Just give it a little teeny tiny bit of a tighten, and we'll do the next one. Remember, we got the collar, the lock washer, and the roller die. So we'll set these aside over here. Start off with the roller die, the lock washer, and the collar. Put it in here. Tighten this up. And there you have it. We have now converted this from a 332 code rail bender to a 250 code rail bender. Very simple and easy to do. And if you need to change your rail benders, just give us a call and we'll send you out a conversion kit. Thank you very much for watching Trainli Tech TV. I'm Holly McLean, and have a good day.